Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing 32-inch Roku TV that I got for my daughter's playroom. This thing is amazing. You literally get tons of free access to different movies, like 250 different channels for streaming, which is great. It also comes with all the apps to pre-set up as well. So if you have Prime, Amazon, Disney, you literally just have to set it up on here. It's already on. If you want to add different streaming sites as well that you have, such as Apple, you're able to do that as well. I love that this is compatible with Alexa. It's compatible with Google. You have 3 high-speed HDMI plugins right on the side, which is pretty good as well. This is a great size. I didn't want anything bigger because it is her playroom. I just wanted something simple that she can be able to stream or watch some of her shows while she's playing and doing different things. Also, I love the fact it comes with a great kids channel as well, with all kinds of different friendly things, which I love. It also has a timer on it, so you can set it to shut off if it's just left playing and your kid forgets or you forget, you're able to do that as well. This is such a great TV. It is my first Roku Smart TV. It is also a 1080 picture LED, so it is crystal clear. I am super happy with it and love it, but that's just my point of view.